Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BOTMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 3, B is 5, C is 9 and D is 15. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BOTMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BOTMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one, 15 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 and divided by multiplied by 3. So first of all, we have to solve this one. But inside the bracket, we have three operations, 1, 2, and 3. So one by one, we have to solve. First one, we have 15 divided by 3. We have to solve this one first. Because according to the BOTMAS and PAMDAS rule, you cannot say like I'm using the BOTMAS, so I will solve the division first. Or you cannot say I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve first multiplication. No, the rule is same. Left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 15 multiplied by 3, which is 45. And also we have bracket, so we will write bracket as it is and divided by 5 multiplied by 3, we will write here as it is. And again divided by 9, right now we will write as 15 multiplied by 3 equals to 45. Now move forward to solve again division and multiplication. So now we have 45 divided by 5. So we have to solve this one now, which is equal to 9 multiplied by 3. And here we have division sign and 9. Now we have 45 divided by 5 equals to 9. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 9 multiplied by 3. We have to solve this one, which is equal to 27. And divided by 9, we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. So we have here terms and 27 divided by 9. So we have to divide these terms and get the answer is 3. So the answer of the given expression is 3. If you see the answer list, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BOTMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.